Okay, guys, here's a plan view layout. Fridge, 30-inch range, microwave and beverage fridge over here. If I have this right, my notes, the beverage fridge, microwave, a drawer in between, 48-inch Sub-Zero. This cabinet's 24 deep. We'll have to have a little bit of the right side of that exposed since this wall's only 21. The island at 108, some 9-inch deep shallow cabinets on the back of the island. This is assuming that this little niche is filled in right here, and depending on how big this wall is, might be cut back shorter than this. The range is centered. Spice pull-out, tray divider. You can see drawer stacks either side. Appliance hood. Front of the island, sink, dishwasher, trash, drawer stacks on either end. Cabinets on the back of the island. And then the fridge wall. Pantry. Pretty straightforward. And then laundry. When you walk in on the left here, I know we're still bouncing back and forth what we're going to do here, but some 18-inch deep cabs. We can get rid of the drawers and just put more shelves in there for shoes or whatnot. Upper cabinets, and then some uppers above the washer and dryer. And we can make these deeper, 16 or 18 inches deep, since they're above the washer and dryer. And then, yeah, back to the kitchen. And the island being the contrast wood. Come on. Okay, let me know what you think. Thank you.